Welcome to my new video. Our today's question is maximum number of words found in a sentence. Okay, so a sentence is a list of words that are separated by a single space with no leading or trailing spaces. Okay, so let's understand the question. So you are given a array of strings. So this is the array and you are given a strings. Okay, so you have to return the maximum number of words in a sentence. So this is like sentence and the number of words is like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to return 6. This string contains the maximum words and there specifically mentions that in every sentence there is no leading or trailing spaces. That means this is the hint kind of. Okay, so if we consider first string, okay, so if there is no leading or trailing zero spaces, that means for every space, like if we have a 5 words, that means we only have a 4 spaces. Okay, let's see how this is like 5 words, 1 2 3 4 5. We have only 4 spaces, exactly 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, if we, this is the hint kind of. Okay, let's see for this string we have like 4 words, that means we have 3 spaces. Okay, 1 2 3. So we have to simply count the number of words in every string. Okay, every string. So we can just simply loop on this array. We get our 3 strings and then we can count how many words are there. And how we can count that? By simply traversing on this string and we have to count the number of spaces. So if this string has like 1 2 3 4 spaces, that means this string contains 5 words. Okay, there are no leading or trailing spaces. That means if we get one space, that means we have 2 words. Okay, and if we have 0 spaces, that means we have 1 word. Let's see how. Like if we have a string name Kedar, then we only have a, like we have 0 spaces, that means we have 1 word. Okay, that's what we are telling. So we can just simply maintain our max equal to 0. Okay, so when we come on our first string, we can just loop like for loop from for loop on this array. Okay, so we are just getting string every time. Okay, so when we get first string, we can just calculate how many spaces are there. So 1 2 3 4. 4 spaces mean 5 words. Okay, and 5 is maximum, so we can update it. Okay, 5 is greater than 0. Okay, now for next word, this is like next string, this is sentence. How many words are there? We have to count the spaces. 1 2 3. 3 spaces mean 4 words. Okay, we have already our max answers. 4 is smaller than our max, so we can traverse now. Okay, now our third string is this. How many spaces are there? 1 2 3 4 5, means 6 words. Okay, and 6 is greater than 5, so now our max is 6. Then we can simply return max. Very simple question. Now let's code the question. So we have to take our max firstly. Just a minute. Max is 0 for now. Then we can simply traverse on our array. Every time we get string str sentences. Okay, so we get the string. Now we have to count the spaces. Okay, so this is like count for spaces. Now we can just simply traverse on our string. Okay, character str dot to char array. So okay, we are traversing. Now whenever we get like character is equal to spaces, we just simply increase our count, count plus plus, and after that if we have 4 spaces, that means we have 5 words. Okay, so word count is count plus 1. Okay, now we have to update our max is equal to mat dot maximum of max comma word count. Okay, and at the end we have to return our max. Let's try to run it. If you are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. If you have any doubt, comment it. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it is getting submitted. Also, there is a trick in Java. Okay, so if we have a string, so we can split it. Okay, so let's see what I am trying to say. Okay, so this is, we can simply create a array of string array is equal to str dot split. There is a function in Java that split whatever we given inside this parameter. Okay, we give spaces, so it will split according to spaces and return us a array, and whatever the length of this array is the count of words. Okay, so array dot length. Okay, this is also going to work. Okay, what? Okay, like this function, this string dot splits function gives us, okay, what array. Okay, we give parenthesis. So this is also a function and this is going to run. Thank you so much for watching.